Tired of manually adding up numbers in your Google Sheets? In this video, you'll discover the quickest and most efficient ways to sum rows and columns, turning that data chaos into organized insights in no time. First, let's tackle summing a column. Click on the cell where you want the total to appear, typically at the bottom of the column. Now, type equals, then the word sum, followed by an open parenthesis. This tells Google Sheets you're about to use the sum function. Next, select the range of cells you want to add up. You can do this by clicking and dragging from the first number in the column to the last. Google Sheets will automatically fill in the cell range, like A1 A10, inside the parentheses. Close the parenthesis and press enter. Boom. The sum of the entire column appears instantly. Now, let's sum a row. The process is nearly identical. Click the cell where you want the row total to be displayed, usually at the end of the row. Again, type equals, sum, and in open parenthesis. This time, select the row of numbers you want to add. Click and drag from the first number in the row to the last. The cell range, like B2 F2, will appear in the formula. Close the parenthesis and hit enter. The sum of the row is now calculated. These simple steps will dramatically speed up your data analysis in Google Sheets. Experiment with different ranges and practice regularly to master this essential skill.